In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PNG to vector in Photoshop step by step, even if you've never done it before. This is a super useful technique if you want to turn a pixel-based logo, icon, or graphic into a scalable vector shape that can be resized without losing quality. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and easy software guides. Let's get into it. First, open your PNG file in Photoshop. You want to make sure the image you're working with is clear and has clean edges, because the better the original graphic looks, the better your vector result will be. Once the file is open, go to the Layers panel and find the thumbnail of your PNG layer. Hold down Control on Windows or Command on Mac, and then click directly on the layer thumbnail. This tells Photoshop to load the shape of your image as a selection. When you do that correctly, you'll see the marching ant selection border appear around your artwork. This is an important step, because Photoshop needs a clean selection outline before it can convert anything into a path. If your PNG has a background or extra details around it, make sure you're selecting the correct layer so only the graphic itself is traced. Now that the selection is active, the next step is to convert it into a vector path. To do that, switch to any basic selection tool in the toolbar, like the Marquee tool or the Lasso tool. Then right-click anywhere inside the selection on the canvas. A menu will appear, and from that menu, click Make Work Path. Photoshop will open a small box asking for the tolerance value. This setting controls how tightly the path follows the edges of your selection. For most graphics, a value between 1.0 and 2.0 pixels works best. If you want to capture sharper corners and more detail, use a lower number. If the edges are a little rough and you want a smoother result, use a slightly higher number. After choosing your tolerance, click OK. At this point, your selection will turn into a thin blue vector path line. That means Photoshop has converted the pixel outline into a mathematical path, which is a big step toward making it scalable. But right now, it's still just a temporary work path, so we need to turn it into a real vector shape layer. To do that, go up to the top menu and choose Layer, then New Fill Layer, and then Solid Color. Photoshop may show a small dialog box, so just click OK to continue. After that, the color picker window will appear and you can choose whatever color you want for your vector graphic. Pick the color you like, then click OK again. Now look back at your Layers panel. You should see a new Color Fill Shape layer, and this is what confirms that your PNG has been turned into a vector shape layer. One of the great things about this is that you can now use free transform with Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac and resize the artwork much larger without it becoming blurry or pixelated. If you need to make any final adjustments, you can always go back and refine the path or color later. But if your goal is to create a clean, scalable version of a simple logo or icon, this method works really well inside Photoshop. Now for the last step, exporting it as an SVG file. This part is important because Photoshop's normal export options do not always give you a direct vector format like SVG. So here's the workaround. Right-click on your new Color Fill Shape layer in the Layers panel and choose Copy SVG. This copies the vector data to your clipboard as code. Next, open a simple text editor like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. Paste the copied SVG code into the blank document using Ctrl+V or Command+V. You'll see a block of SVG code appear, and that's exactly what you want. Now go to File, then Save As. Give the file a name and make sure you type .svg at the very end of the file name. For example, you could name it vectorlogo.svg. Then change the file type setting from text documents to all files if needed, and save it. And that's it. You've now converted a PNG to a vector in Photoshop and exported it as an SVG file using a simple copy and paste method. This is a great trick for turning logos and clean graphics into scalable assets for web, design, and branding work. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.